It is January 1st, 2024, and we got a nice snowy day going on. I'm going to be taking the four-wheeler in today instead of walking because I am way in there. All right, let's get things closed down here. You can see what I'm dealing with here. It is incredibly muddy. There's no way I could have got my truck on this hill today. Yet I need to have the job done before Wednesday. All right. We're going to be working our way up that road today, which just goes up on top of that hill. So let's get started. Boy, it's cold. It's about 30 degrees. This is definitely going to be a cold start. All right, let the machine warm up and be on our way. What a beautiful snowy day. It is the first day of the year. About 30 degrees. We're much farther up on top of the hill than we were last video. And we're going to be working our way out this road here. It is incredibly muddy, but not frozen, so we're going to have to be careful. But I think we'll be okay. There's not a lot of steep areas. The work's a lot less intense up in here today. Just kind of getting rid of obstacles as I encounter them. Boy, what a nice day. You don't get to work many of these awesome snowy days, so yeah, this is an awesome day. Get more intense as we go further out through here. This is kind of like a walk in the park. All right. Wonder what we can do with this old dead oak tree. Make one hell of a mess. was. Get this old poppy son of a bitch out. Is in quite good shape. This is the first big mud hole I ran into, and that's going to need to be draining a little better. Just cut this out just a little bit right here. Carefully, we don't want to cut too much out. Get that sucker draining. Better. It is quite relaxing driving through the snowy woods like this. And another big mud hole. Rinse and repeat. Let's get her draining. Knocked out of the middle. Now she's a draining. Not quite low enough down here. And we can reach out here and get this log out of our way. Heavier than it looks. come through here in the summertime when these things are all leafed out. They look a lot different. It's nice to get in here and kill them while they're sleeping. And we need to do something. Well, this sucker's got a damn grapevine wrapped around it. That's never good. We can just break him in half there. God damn, that was loud. Pipeline right there. I'm gonna have to be careful. Maybe we'll go this way. I think we're just gonna push this one back because he's awful close to that pipeline. Anything that looks like it might be growing out into the road in the next couple years is getting removed. But these things start getting brittle as you get into winter, and they break rather than come up by the root. I don't like that, but that's just what I got to deal with. A big one here. Actually, two big ones. I don't have a good spot to put him over here. We're just going to have to force him in here. Through the hole here. Alright. Yeah, we're starting to sink here a little bit, so we can get up out of our rut. Yeah, this mud is so soft, even picking up that small tree right there, pulling it out of the ground, I can feel myself sink when I go pulling these out. But I gotta go on out through here because I'm almost to the end, but the end is where it gets really bad. big son of a bitch up here. I think the best way to attack him, I guess like that. Something with this little beech tree right here. This is a pretty big tree, at least for this machine. Let's see if we can root it in up there. I don't know here. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, we might just have to push him out of the way here. Well, I got the son of the bitch to snap. After going out with a handsaw and scoring around the outside of it. At least enough I can get through there after a little bit of cleanup here. Like I say, I gotta be careful. I mean, there's a fuck ton of gas lines right here. You can see there's a big junction right there. Oh yeah. All right. That'd be some good firewood right there. Alright. Beech tree. I'm going to push this son of a bitch over carefully because there's a damn gas line right beside it. That'll be good enough. Those beech trees just take over a road and then they shade it to the point where it never dries out. So it's best to get them out. Satisfying crunch. Another big one. Stay up there, damn it. Son of the bitch is trying to roll down into the road. Alright, I want to see roots. There we go. big one, hanging out over the damn road. Son of a gun. He's in there. He's not wanting to give it up. Yeah, get out of there. My goodness, what a root system. About this sucker over here. Got him broke down there a little bit. Alright, we don't want this clay out in the road, so we're going to clean that back up there just a little bit. Nest of stuff here. this will become a problem in a few years, so probably just ought to get them out of there now. I'm not sure, these might be alder trees, I'm not entirely sure. Well, we got to be careful. I could go in the ground and get those pulled up, but there's that gas line running right here that I just kind of tagged there a second ago, so I'm going to have to be a little more careful. Like some kind of Vietnamese jungle trap right here with all these damn spikes sticking up. Now, I'd never leave something looking like this, but I don't have much of a choice with that gas line running through there. Get that out by the root right there. I'm not sure where that gas line is. Come up on you slow here. Yeah, I think that's as good as it's going to get. Pushing my luck. Alright, this one's been a pain in the ass. You can see where someone's actually trimmed it. careful. There's the well. Well, that's going to be it for this job. Got everything done out through here. Made it out to the well here. What a nice day. Nice snowy day. Great day to be out here in the woods. Anyway, going to get turned around, get headed back to the four-wheeler, and wrap this one up. Well, I made it back to the four-wheeler here. Shut down, headed back to the shop, wrap this one up. Well, that's going to be a wrap on this project. Be getting out of this holler, be hauling the machine out of here probably Wednesday, and it'll be on to the next one.